Newfoundland, the often forgotten rugged gem of Canada. Raw and untouched, it's there waiting to be explored. Though English speaking, what are you at, where are you to, yes bye, and the old trout are just the beginning of their own lingo. How do you travel Newfoundland my way? Bring your own car, or rent one, and drive to Bell Island. Take in its natural beauty, and then try the underground mining tour. One of the few places in North America to get hit in World War II. Next, head south to Cape St. Mary's Seabird River. Accommodation, camping. On your way back, stop by Mistaken Point, where the signal the Titanic was sinking was first received. Then pop over to cruise the Atlantic on a boat tour. Maybe you'll see a puffin or a whale. Hike your way back up the East Coast Trail and visit Berry Head Arch, the Spout, and Cape Spear. Continue towards St. John's, the capital and nightlife center of Newfoundland. Hit up George Street, 21 bars on one street. Get initiated by drinking Screech and kissing a fish if you'd like. Then head over to the block party at Rob Roy's for Toonie Tuesday. In case you didn't know, a toonie is a Canadian $2 coin. Then head west and get your taste of Atlantic cuisine in Twillingate. While you're there, go check out the Puffins in nearby Bonavista before continuing on west to explore Grossmore National Park, a highlight of anyone's visit.